Hey, how you guys doing? Sunny here. So today we're gonna test out the karaoke function of this Geyguy, and you can refer to my previous video uplink to go through all the functions of the amp. Today I have my good friend here, Christian. He's a singer, and he's gonna help us to check out this karaoke function.
That's a nasty rumor, Sonny.
And the guy back there is Matt. They're both in a band together. Yeah, this guy can play some guitar. This guy can sing. Yeah. You want to tell us about you? And like, how long you been singing?
Gosh, 50 years, I
Yeah.
guess. Yeah, 50 years of singing.
He's showing his age.
I am. Well, all of this shows it pretty well, too.
Yeah.
So, but I am interested to see how this thing works.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get going. I hooked up the iPad link to the speaker through Bluetooth. In the back of the speaker, if you saw my previous video, there's a button. It's called Bluetooth, little tiny B, letter B. You press that button, and then you can go to your iPad. You go to your setting, Bluetooth, and you will see Geyguy popped up on your screen, and you just connect it, and then it's linked up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna play the karaoke track from the iPad. It's gonna sing through this wireless mic that came with the speaker, and we're gonna check it out. So let's get started.
And I feel the time's a ways to go. So where you going to tomorrow? And I see these are lives to come. So would you even care? And I feel it. And I feel it. Where you going for tomorrow? Where you going with the master found? And I feel it when the dogs begin to smell her. Will she smell the love? And I feel so much depends on the weather. So is it raining in your bedroom? And I see these are the eyes of disarray. Would you even care? And I feel it. And she feels it. Where you going for tomorrow? Where you going with the master found? And I feel it when the dogs begin to smell her. Will she smell the love? Well, the dogs to find her. Got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it. Well, the dogs to find her. Got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it. Where you going for tomorrow? Where you going with the mask I found? And I feel it when the dogs begin to smell her. Will she smell the love? When the dogs do find her, got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it. When the dogs do find her, got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it. To find it. To find it. To find it.
Nice job, Christian.
Yeah. So
Harry wants to be a star.
yeah. All right. So okay, what did you think of the setup, the speaker and the mic?
That was pretty good, actually. I liked the echo effect on there. I like it that you can adjust it.
Okay.
The mic has a little bit of handling noise.
Okay.
Not really that big a deal for, around the house or whatever. If you're maybe wanting to record something with it, I'd be very careful as far as wearing jewelry and moving your hand around too much. But other than that,
Put it on a stand and sing up to it.
put it on
Yeah.
a stand.
Recording.
Yeah.
Yeah. We talked about how clear the mic is compared to other karaoke.
Extremely clear.
Yeah. A lot of time when I hear the karaoke mic from home machines, they usually kind of muffle.
Yeah.
But this one's really clear. Yeah.
Definitely.
Good projection on it. Yeah. The only thing, another thing I like about this speaker is that you can you can connect your electric guitar to it. That's the electric guitar input. You can plug your acoustic guitar in it. You can run it like a PA. Maybe you have just by yourself playing the acoustic guitar and sing on the street.
Yeah,
wedding.
battery powered too, so
Battery
you can
power.
definitely do that.
It's really light, so I can pick this up with one hand. Take anywhere you want. So yeah. So I appreciate you guys watching this, and thank you, Christian, for coming over. And thanks, Matt, for coming over and hanging out in the background.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah. So
Make another appearance.
yeah, we're gonna invite them over some other time. Maybe we
Yeah.
just do just chit chat and music, and maybe do some you guys can do some acoustic songs and
Sure.
play a couple of things.
Sure, I'd like
That
that.
sounds great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you.
All right, man.
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, see you guys.